So today we are checking out the Halloween stuff at AC Moore. Ooh. Ooh. Whoa. They're giant.
They don't really go into this.
It's us.
It does.
Those are strange. Oh, I like the cat coming out of the jack-o'-lantern.
It's cool.
What does it do?
It's always.
Oh. Demon cat.
Some of these lights are like really bright too. Oh.
The thing I wanted to get you. See, I like that. This orange pumpkin.
Feed me, Seymour.
Do you like that? I'm gonna get you one if you like it.
Yeah, it's cool.
It's cool. Scale of 1 to 10.
Why's it got like things there?
This is gore.
Oh. Looks like it's mostly little. Looks like it's mostly little like statues and figurines. Oh, that's cool. That was pretty cool. Why is he crying? Feels like he's sad. Bats. I'm not gonna say it. Steampunk skulls and pumpkins. These are cool. I like these a lot.
Doesn't work. It does.
It's
just
very
really
dim.
Spider bites.
Probably look better in the dark. Whoa. You can see him from a mile away. So that was AC Moore, and even though I said she didn't need to do this, Emily bought me a couple things as a early Halloween gift, I guess. She got me this cool pumpkin guy that lights up that you're not gonna be able to see right now because it's
You might be able to.
bright outside.
Pretty dark on your camera. Oh
It's
yeah.
kind of hard to see.
Well, put it down near the floorboard. You might be able to see it there.
No, that's okay.
Oh. Well, we can see it later in your orange room.
Yeah, I was gonna say, she got me these to go into the Halloween studio, which I saw on the shelf and thought was really cool. This guy,
Say the magic words.
he is like the Halloween king or something.
There's not magic words.
I don't know what
The magic word
words
is
are.
that I'm the best fiance ever.
You're the best fiance ever.
It sounds so honest. I'm just kidding.
So demanding.
I know.
Greetings from the future. So it's been about a week or so since the video clips you just saw, and I wanted to show you where I put those little trinkets that Emily got me. You can actually see the flashing pumpkin up there on top of the piano. He's pretty cool. And then I have my Pumpkin King guy sitting here right next to the computer, staring at me as I make this video. So I wanted to briefly mention that I think this is going to be a new ongoing sort of series, because every year we go to all the different stores and look at everything, but it's always kind of just like interspersed. It could be like in the middle of like a normal vlog or something. So I think that I'm going to start doing these store tours, as I'm calling them, as like their own dedicated sort of series. If you're noticing above the title down here, it shows like the hashtag store tour 2018. And I think that's kind of a cool idea. There's a bunch of other stores that I plan to go to. They don't have their stuff out yet. They'll be putting them out like later in September. But whenever that happens, we'll start visiting those places as well. So that'll be kind of cool. have a lot of other stuff planned for the future. I'm sure you've noticed that I have like more videos coming out more regularly now, so yeah. So, with that being said, as always, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.